Hello. Today we're going to be talking about rate of change. And what a rate of change does is it describes how one quantity changes compared to another quantity over this given interval here. So in my graph, for an example, I'm showing Mr. Johnson's speed as he approaches heavy traffic. And I'd like you to describe what is occurring in this graph. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of write a story here to help us describe what's happening. So let me look at this first interval right here. Okay, and so you can see what's happening there. As my time goes on, as time goes this way, the speed is decreasing. So as Mr. Johnson approaches traffic, his speed decreases. Okay? Then we have this interval right here. And notice that as time goes on here, the speed has sit at 0 this whole time. It's not above the axis at all. So this entire interval is where he's at a complete stop. He comes to a full stop. Okay? Then we have this interval. So after that, so as time goes on here, now his speed is increasing. So we can say that after a short time, Mr. Johnson accelerates Okay, so then we're here. He doesn't accelerate for long though, because notice that speed also stays consistent. So Mr. Johnson accelerates, he stays at a constant, maybe I'll say consistent, low speed. Okay, before what happens? Right there. Before slowing again. Okay, right here, he comes to a longer full stop, and then finally comes to a longer full stop, and I'll turn that into a comma, before driving off. And we're done.